Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Soi 5 in a Junction, the Rumpa Market. Checking out UTLA 3 or 4. Not sure of that. And of course, I'm here at the immigration. And I don't want to end up there. So, remember to fix your visa. Hey guys, welcome back. I want to talk to you about two things that ignores me a lot here in Thailand. The one thing is the Falang people walk around with no shirt or driving a motorbike without a shirt. It's inappropriate in Thailand, and the more older generation of Thai people can see this or do see this as disrespectful for the Thai culture. So please guys, put on a goddamn t-shirt. That's three places where it's okay not to wear a t-shirt. It's at the beach, by the swimming pool, or in your room. So put it on, guys, please. Oh, take another route today. Not go that way. Go this way. There's a small alley between Soi 5 and Soi 4. Yeah. Oh, look. Looks quite nice. Some restaurant. Can't remember the name. Down here, Nirvana. It looks good. Small balconies. Not so private, but anyway. And something over there too, as well. But Scandinavian flags, and even the Carlsberg logo sign. But, and the other thing I want to talk to you about is when you go to drive around with your on your motorbike, and then you see all the balloons at the bars. Moment. Steffens. And then and then when they do have this balloon party, it's because they're celebrating something. Do birthday parties and stuff like that. So you will see many older people go around on the motorbike and looking for these places, and they do that because it's free food. So they drive around in the morning and see, okay, I know Soi 7, Pattaya, Junction, whatever. They have this balloon party. So they're celebrating something. So again, they will serve food. And here's the cheap Charlie point. They go there and getting the free food. And only buy a water for 20 baht, maybe 30 baht. So it's a cheap Charlie. And to be honest with you guys, I don't like them. I actually hate them. The same goes for the driving around without shirt. That's something I hate too as well. Cut 5. So that's it for me today, guys. I love you all. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you not already do. But until next time, be safe. I love you.